Canvas size, 1920 by 1080 pixels. Click the image icon on the top right corner. Click column 14, which is background tones gray. Select wooden cross-hatching and zoom in 107%. Layer window, then click Move tool. X-axis 46 pixels, Y-axis -50 pixels. Zoom in 119%. These adjustments will make the bottom leaves larger than the top. Turn on alpha lock. Cover bottom in a bright and top in a medium color. I know you've been watching for a while. Go drink some water and look away from the screen. I'll learn animation, so just bear with me. Turn off alpha lock. Tap the boxed plus. Duplicate layer 3 times, then merge. Select and fill the bottom layer in the darkest color. Well, colors are optional, but using contrast will be a nice touch. Click layer window. Select the second layer. Go to FX, find transform. Now to polar coordinates. Select rectangular. Open layer window and merge layers. Go to FX, then artistic. Select chromatic aberration moving. Next select noise. Type, color, strength 50%, amount 50%. Done.